Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Meriban, I twist balloons. When we say balloons, we all like balloons, we all love balloons. Children and adults, both of them like to hold balloons in hands, they want to touch, and these colorful balloons give life for any occasion. Take it as birthday parties or some event or functions or weddings, whatever it is. Balloons give life for any kind of party. When I say balloons, we all enjoy balloons, but many of us are not so much aware about balloon twisting. So today I want to talk little about balloon twisting. So what is this balloon twisting? Balloon twisting is twisting balloons mostly in the shape of animals. So for that we have a special balloons. We usually use these kind of long balloons. Here in our markets we call it as in long balloons or tube balloons. This is called actually 260. So we actually use these kind of balloons to twist any kind of balloon animals. We make balloon animals like dogs, cats, giraffes, and we make teddy bears, and we can make so many other shapes also. So mostly we use one balloon, or we can use two or more depending on the shapes and desires that we want to. So for this, I would just explain little more about these kind of balloons. So this is called 260, and this is called 360, and this is called 160. And the reason for this, because 160, when we say, it is 1 inch in diameter after inflating and 60 inches long approximately. Okay, so this is 1 into 60, and as the same as that, 2 into 60, 2 inch in diameter and 60 inches long. These all are approximate measurements, and 360 is 3 inches width and 60 inches long. So these are the balloons mostly used for balloon twisting or balloon models or for making animals or any kind of shapes. We also use a lot of other balloons for all these. So we use round balloons, we have heart balloons, we've got printed ones here, and we've got blossom balloon. This is very lovely shape. We don't need to make a flower. When we pump this, you get a flower shape. And we've got different balloons like heart shape balloons, round, big and small, different sizes of balloons we've got. And we get all these things, and we get special balloons also called linking balloons. So we can link each balloon. So when you want to tie balloons together, like in a circle or in a round shapes, especially for arches also, we can use these linking balloons. So we can just blow it, and you can see a tip here. So you can attach these to the next balloon. So these are called linking balloons, and these have some shapes also. These got printed kitties. We can use it as like aliens, you have this antenna kind of thing. We can transform, you can use any kind of things and use it. So these are used, and there's one more shape here, special one, especially for the insects or bees. This also comes like in different colors, and I've got one orange here with me, and it has a black. We can use this as a sting for the honeybees. So any colors, you can make a lot of things with all these. So I would like to show you how these balloons look after inflating, especially these long balloons. So I'll just inflate and show these. But for inflating, we need a hand pump. If you are having an electric pump, fine, it's good. If not, at least you can get a hand pump in all the shops, balloon shops, or any supermarkets. And this is specially used for pumping 160, because the nozzle is small, so we just can easily pump this. So this is called a pocket pump, and I use a marker to give a little bit details like eyes and the smiley faces we can draw. So we give use a marker, and we use the scissors to cut off and just tie it up so I'll just show you how these balloons look after we fully inflate the different sizes of these 260 and 360 and this 160. So let's see. So first I'll inflate the 160 balloon. So this is the length. So we'll just tie it off. Keep it aside. Now we will take 260. This is 260. We'll use the normal pump. For 260 and any other balloons, any shapes of balloons, you can use a hand pump. The regular normal size hand pump. Yes. So this is the length of the 260, and let's check out 360. So this is the full length of So this is the 360 balloon. That's fully inflated. This is the length of it. You can see the size. And this is 260. After being fully inflated, these are the sizes. And then let's see 160. Yes. This is 160. So we've got 360 and 260 and 160. These are the sizes, and mostly we will be using only 260 as of now because it's easy to inflate or to and also it's easy to work with this 260 balloons. So we will use 260 for making different shapes of balloon animals. So these are the shapes and sizes that we've got. I will be teaching a few tutorials about how to make a simple, easy balloon animals. So stay tuned, be connected, and please subscribe and like my channel so that you can know how to make different types of animals with 260 balloons. Thank you so much. Happy twisting.